7962 Rosellen. This has been a very successful floor plan for us. There are some oil stains here on the driveway. I'm just pointing it out, it's not a big deal. We could power wash it or not. Jenny's call. Repaint this wood frame here. Jenny loves these screen doors. Tenants can enjoy the fresh air while feeling secure and keeping their kids and pets inside if they have any. Sorry there's not a lot of light in here. We need the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. The paint, from what I can see, looks to be in overall good condition, as is the flooring. There is some condensation on the inside of one of the sliding doors. We have a space saver microwave. Dishwasher and the microwave are black. Sorry, the stove and the microwave are black. The dishwasher and the refrigerator are white. Oops. Usually a fan comes on when you turn this particular floor plan's laundry light on. It's separate. Okay. Well, this is a beautiful garage. That's a little chipped there. Definitely refer to Jenny on whether or not the laminate can stay for now. Carpet is definitely a Jenny call. Definitely needs to be deep cleaned. Looks like they got some paint on it when they were painting. The thing is, carpet's easy to replace. It's about $1 a square foot. It's not a big deal, and it can make a big difference in the appearance and feel of a home. So it's a good trade. These are vinyl. We need to get the correct blinds in here. We'll see what Jenny thinks about this light kit. And a drain stopper. These cabinets look nice. These are vinyl blinds as well. Carpet looks fine. That's a Jenny's call. It's borderline. These cabinets look good. Replace those light bulbs. Get a shower rod in here. Maybe recalc that area So we have a transition strip here. Definitely need Jenny's opinion. There's a couple of areas where there's a little bit of paint, but it's dark. Maybe it'll work after a deep clean. Okay, that's the property.